I will say to him, you do that. And forget the money. Because if you say that getting the money is the most important thing, you will spend your life completely wasting your time. You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go on living, that is, to go on doing things you don't like doing, which is stupid. Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
Hey, come on.
Yo, what is up, guys? What's up, guys? So sorry, ran out of breath, like ran down here. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go start pulling out the engine today. I'll try to get a lot more footage for you guys. You know, when we're pulling the engine, we can't drop the engine yet because I am going to have to wait for my mounts to come in, and they're coming in Monday, which fucking sucks because I just want to get this shit done and fucking be ripping the street left and right. Just kidding. I'm not gonna be fucking abusing the fuck out of this engine. I want it to last me for a long ass time. So let's head over there right now and let's get it. Yo, we are here. There's the engine. And this shit should be pulled today. So let's get it. Okay, guys, so right now we're trying to get the fucking pin out the fucking shift linkage, which is a fucking bitch. But we basically got all the wires and shit disconnected, so I'm just trying to get this out right now. So let's hope I get it. Hey yo, what is up, guys? So we are back doing more swap shit. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be deleting some shit and pressure washing my car, and then for my homie's car, homie Inks, we're gonna be doing the same thing. So pulling out his engine, pressure washing, just pressure washing, but we're gonna be doing a tuck on this along with deleting some shit. So like I said, I'm gonna try to get some more footage, so that's what we're gonna do. Like I said, we already pulled the engine, and my engine is right there chilling with everything. So let's get it. Got the engine all sprayed off. I did get my Yonaka mounts, so we're gonna open this real quick. And yeah, I did apply for a sponsorship, so Yonaka, sponsor your boy. Let's get to opening this. This is hella messy. So we got one mount. Another. And then I did get 2 stickers. Right. That will be everything. So here's the first one. So I believe this one is the driver's side. I believe this is one's for the transmission. I believe this one's my rear one. So hell yeah.
Is it turning?
Yeah, barely, but
Okay, you're good with that, bro. Thank you, Noah. Ride it on.
Yo, so what we got done? Wire tuck for. I don't know if you guys can see it, but for my harness for my lights all tucked, and we should be able to drop the engine in today. So, hell yeah. Hey yo, what's up guys? Thank you for making it to the end of the video. So I did try to get as much video as I can, while still working. I'm currently just using my phone for all the footage. I really don't want to take my camera. It would just be a hassle kinda, and be like, all in the way and all that. So we did drop the engine. Thank you to Inks. And we did get everything tucked, which is great. Also, we're gonna be doing more stuff. I'm waiting on a distribution jumper harness thing. Then we got to repin some stuff and wire everything up, and still put the axles in and all that. And so we're gonna be doing that. But other than that, everything's good to go. Really simple. After I'm done with all this, after the swap is done and I'm driving, I'm going to be making a video on kind of what we did kind of step by step to swap everything in. I'll kind of show you guys too, and then also I'm going to be adding everything up and showing you guys how much I spent, and that should be coming up pretty soon because I am going to be done with it here pretty soon. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe for future content. We're going to be doing a bunch of stuff to the Civic. Like I said, I have until June 1st, I believe, until ISS. So, big changes coming. Peace.